going to put on muscle even if you work out a lot. I'm going to tell you in this video how to put on more muscle. You're watching the NM Lifestyle and let's get started with this video. I know a lot of guys who can't put on muscle even if they work out a lot. See, muscle building is associated with a lot of factors and I'm going to tell you all of those factors. So the first thing is consistency. I know you work out a lot. I know you put a lot of efforts into your workouts, but there is a problem. If you skip your leg days, you're not going to see serious gains in your body. When you train your legs, there is this human growth hormone which is released when you squat. The human growth hormone helps you build more muscle and gain more weight. People who are skinny can also try this thing and do squat, which will give them at least some of the results. So what's the first thing? Consistency. You need to keep your workouts consistent. Whatever may happen, your workouts should be consistent. So the second thing is, if you want to gain muscle, you need to be in a caloric surplus diet. That means you need to eat 200 to 300 calories more than your maintenance calories. And if you don't know what is maintenance calories, you need to check out on Google, or I'll leave the link down in the description to calculate your maintenance calories. So please check it out below. So the third thing is excessive cardio. And moreover, a lot of people think that spending half hour on treadmill may burn off more fat than weight training, but that's wrong. If you spend a lot of time on cardio, I don't think you're gonna put a lot of muscle which you're expecting. If you're really into cardio, you need to try out HIIT, which means high intensity interval training. And people just spend hours and hours on treadmill and don't get results they really want. But try out HIIT and I guarantee you will get the results. So let's talk about the major part, and that is your diet. A lot of people keep training harder, but they don't have a balanced diet. A balanced diet is more of protein, medium fats and low carbs, and that's how you will put on more muscle. I know fats are not important as protein, but they do have a place in your muscle growth. So you really need to consume good amount of fats. So the fifth thing is you need to eat more. Now eating more will give you the sustainability to be into your workout. You need to eat more if you really want to sustain the workout regime you're doing, and if you really want muscle growth, you need to eat more. So the sixth point is actually a tip. If some of your muscles are weaker, you need to train them 2 to 3 times a week so that they reach the strength of the stronger muscles. So the seventh point is recovery is the king of whatever you want. Everything needs recovery. If it's fat loss, if it's muscle growth, whatever you want, you need recovery, and your rest periods are equally important as your workouts. I keep saying this again and again. Your recovery is the king. Always keep good enough rest days and don't just keep churning out your workouts again and again. Please take care of your rest days. After 1 week of your workout regime, if you feel you're stronger than the previous week, you need to start off with higher intensity and add more reps to your workout. I really want you guys to build more muscle and not just stay in the hope of building them. Try keeping a timer to your workout. So let's take an example. First example is of your previous week when you did 30 squats in just 30 seconds. And now if you have gained strength, you will complete those 30 squats in less than 30 seconds. So that's how you increase your intensity. So the next thing is stay focused to your goal. Whatever may happen, whatever difficulties may come, stay focused to your goal. To increase muscle growth, try doing compound movements such as deadlifts, bench press and squats. And the most important thing is your sleep. You need a sound sleep of at least 7 to 8 hours so that your body repairs all of the muscle tissues you have broken while working out, and that's how you're going to increase your muscle growth. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please do hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications when I upload a new video. And thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay fit, stay active. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, bye bye.